Hello, welcome to the video to learn how the Depreciation Less Section 1245 Recapture is calculated in S Corporation returns in CCH ProSystem FX Tax or CCH Global FX Tax. To begin, go to the Government Forms. Open Depletion to see the depletion forms. And open Depletion Net Income. This worksheet shows us a list of depletion properties and the components for calculating the allowable depletion, with one of the columns being Depreciation Less 1245 Recapture. To determine how this depreciation amount is calculated, first, we'll want to notate the property numbers that have an amount in the depreciation column. Next, we'll go to the Federal Interview Forms and open Interview Form DP1. If we scroll down on the DP1, we can see a field titled Depletion Number. This depletion number links this asset to the depletion properties. For the property we are wanting to verify the calculation on, make note of the asset numbers associated with the same depletion property number. Next, we'll go back to the Government Forms and open Government Form 4562. Open the Landscape menu and then the Federal Depletion Detail Form. This worksheet shows a breakdown of the allowable depreciation for all the assets. And if I scroll over, I can see the total allowed current year deduction for each asset as well as an overall total for the property. The total amount for the property here will match up to the same depreciation amount on the Depletion Net Income worksheet. Thank you for watching the video to learn how the Depreciation Less Section 1245 Recapture is calculated in S Corporation returns in CCH ProSystem FX Tax.